What's up, you guys? It's your girl JAZZYT and I'm back with another YouTube video. So today's video is going to be very cringy, it's going to be very embarrassing, and today is a story time, you know, because I haven't really done one of these before. So, you know, I just thought this would be a funny story to tell you guys and kind of cool, you get to know more about me. So let's get started. So this story is the first time I've ever walked down a runway. So there's nothing pretty about this, there's nothing okay about this, it's just So before we get started with the video, give this video a thumbs up, you know, just support me, just to help me out. You know, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell down there, you know, also helping me out. Thank you guys so much for all your support. And let's get started. So, I don't remember what day it was, you know, I just know, I don't really know what I know. But, so, I have wanted to do modeling and or acting for a really long time. So, I've been going to these auditions, but you know, if you've been to one of these auditions before, or if you just know about it, or if you don't know, I'm going to tell you now, they cost money. Cost big money. So I went to this one audition, John Casablancas, I think that's how you say it. You may or may not have heard of him, but you know, I just started kind of doing these auditions for fun. So I just kind of, you know, I like it, you know, have my pictures taken, stuff like that, you know, just something fun to do. So I go to the John Casablancas office, and you know, we have a photo shoot, you know, they take pictures of me doing different poses. I think I had like some khakis with like a jean shirt, and my hair was naturally curly, it was like in my natural state. After the photo shoot, we had to go back into this room where we had learned a commercial script, you know, like a little commercial piece. While we were waiting, we had to, you know, learn that. So when we got back there in that room, that's what we did, and we acted it out. And you know, with somebody there to judge us on it. So after that, we went into this room, and it had this little runway, and it had chairs, and it had like a big wall mirror, and we had to sit down and wait for the director or whatever to come in there and talk to us. So me and my mom went back there in that room, and we were sitting there, we were just talking. She was like, "Oh my god, are you excited?" And I was like, "Yes, I am so excited." Like, I was excited, but I was nervous at the same time because it was like a whole lot of people, and we all had to walk down that runway, right? So like, I felt like I was letting my anxiety get the best of me, and like my mom's just hyping me up. She was like, "You're so beautiful, I'm so proud of you," you know, all this. And so the guy came in, we were talking, you know, he was talking to everybody, you know, he was like, "You're fierce, you're fierce, you're fierce," you know. So he kind of just like boosted our confidence. So we all had to like line up right next to the runway, and he turned on this like runway music, and we had to like, and he showed us how to like walk down the runway, which foot do you like, you know, which foot you turn on, you know, stuff like that, what kind of looks do you give, when do you look back, you know, stuff like that. And I was watching everybody, I was like, okay, y'all are, do your thing. And then JAZZY gets up there and makes herself look crazy, okay? Y'all, I blacked out. I don't even remember. I had to look back at the video because I literally blacked out. It was blank. I did not know what I was doing. I did not know what had happened. I just know when I walked off that runway, everything was clear again, and I could like see again. But y'all, when my mom showed me the video, I was like, I did that? I was like, oh my gosh, like, I was like, I did that. And I was like, they probably think like I don't know what I'm doing now. Y'all, I was like panicking, like full on panicking, okay? So my mom, she showed me the video. Apparently while I was walking, I pulled my pants up while my hands were on my hips. And I didn't even know, and I just did everything so freaking wrong. But like I said, I will show you guys this embarrassing video of me. So hold your breath because here it is. So I hope that made you guys cringe. I hope it made you laugh. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell for me. You know, you guys need to support me. Right now, during the making of this video, we have 75 subscribers. I want to apologize because it has been, at the making of this video, it's been 2 weeks since my last video. And I'm sorry. I've been busy. I have school. But yeah, here's 75 subscribers and 2 weeks ago. And y'all, look at these views. 18 views. But I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. Even you newbies. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye.